Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I make $15,000 a week on Amazon FBA and how you can too. Make sure you stick around for the end of the video because I'm gonna be sharing with you where I think there's a huge opportunity right now and you can make way more than $15,000 a week off of this. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name's Robert Benjamin and my mission is simple, to help you guys make more money online and grow a following on social media. The way to make money online and the way to grow a following on social media is constantly changing, so I'm here to keep you up to date. My job is not just to educate, but to also teach. I don't care if I have thousands of followers or millions of followers when you find this. If you leave a comment below, I promise I'll get back to you. So make sure you guys leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss another episode. I personally guarantee that this video about making money online with Amazon FBA in 2020 is gonna leave you with more knowledge and the right steps that you need to get started right away. Now let's get into the video. The biggest concern that I get is there still money being made on Amazon FBA in 2020? And I'm here to assure you guys that there definitely is. Personally, the niche that I'm in is selling flower pots and wall planters, but I wouldn't recommend that you guys get into that. The reason that I wouldn't recommend that you guys get into this is, one, pot plants are fragile. There's a really high chance that they're gonna break when you ship them from China to the US and as you ship them throughout the US through Amazon. The second thing is that this product is very seasonal. The biggest piece of advice that I have for you guys, and this will probably be the #1 theme throughout the video, is make sure you guys invest a ton of time in the upfront so that you know all the cons, all the pros of the niche that you're gonna get into, so that you don't make the same mistake that I made. Although I am still making a ton of money, there is a ton of search volume, I don't want you guys to get into an opportunity where your product's always breaking, you're having a really high refund rate, or where there's a lot of seasonality, because then you're gonna point your finger at me and hate me, and I don't want that to happen. But that's not the point of this video. So if you guys do want to learn more about that, I'm gonna link out to it in the description below. I built a great playlist where it takes you from finding a niche to getting your product on Amazon, finding a manufacturer, everything that you could think of, QAing it, and then getting it on Amazon, being able to sell it, optimize it, scale your business, and then step back from your business so you don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Personally, I spend almost no time on my Amazon business, and I want this to be the same exact thing for you guys. A couple other tips before I get into how I make $15,000 a week. You guys wanna find a product that's gonna sell for between $50 to $60 so that you guys have a really high margin, because to find somebody to buy it with advertising, it's probably gonna cost around $20. So I wanna make sure that after you guys buy the product for $5 to $10, you can mark it up, you can still advertise it, and you're gonna make a ton of money. You'll be making like $10 to $30 off of every single unit that sells. Two other things that you guys wanna look for is you wanna make sure that the product has little to no competition. If you search for a keyword that's gonna be your main keyword and you see all the other products have 10,000, 5,000, even 1,000 reviews, you definitely don't want to get involved. The other thing that you guys want to look for is you need to have over 30,000 exact match searches per month for that product's main keywords. This is going to ensure that, one, there's enough volume for you guys to really make a profit here, and two, you're not going to get yourself into a situation where you can't even rank on the main page, because trust me, you don't want to use PPC or advertising for all of your sales. Personally, I really love the tool Jungle Scout for being able to do all of your keyword research, your product research. So if you guys want access to my Jungle Scout account, let me know in the comment section below. I honestly feel free to give you guys access to it so that you guys don't have to pay the $40 a month. I could give you an affiliate link because I am an affiliate with Jungle Scout, but I don't want to do that if you guys are just getting started. I'll arrange it, I don't know how, email, DM, but something. I'll give you my information so that you can use the tool also. So now the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. How do I make $15,000 a week on Amazon? I do it by selling wall planters and flower pots. They're priced between $19 and $35. Not the advice that I would give you guys. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I would suggest you sell something between $50 and $60, but nevertheless, I'm moving about 500 units a week, which is great. It's a combination between promotions, organic, and PPC, but like I said, I'll get into that in another video, but that's all you guys really need to know. I'm moving 500 units a week of this stuff. They have a ton of reviews, there's a ton of search volume. We're headed up on the peak season, so I'm super excited because I really think that I can move about 1,000 units a week. But I do want to assure you guys that this is not where I started. When we first started, we were only moving 50 to 70 units a week, and it took us about 3 months to get up to the point where we're moving 500 units a week. Now, depending on the niche that you guys choose, and you guys will be able to know this before you get into it, you'll know how quickly you're gonna get up to like the top positions on your keywords. So you'll know how quickly you'll be able to move that much product. It may be faster than I did it, it may be slower than I did it, but make sure that's something you consider before you hop into that product. The other thing I wanna highlight here is, especially in my niche and to get to this sales volume, we had to front load tens of thousands of dollars into this to be able to do that. If you guys aren't able to do that, then I wouldn't recommend that you get into flower pots or wall planters, because to be totally honest, it's really expensive, but there are products out there that you could do for way cheaper. And the only reason that I bring this up is not to, totally take the air out of this balloon, but to let you guys know that there is risk involved whenever you start a business, and that doesn't change on Amazon. It's the same way if you opened up a deli down the block, a pizza store downstairs, or started renting out a house to somebody. There's always risk involved, but with Amazon at least, you can know your risk going into it, which is why I recommend that you guys spend a ton of time in the upfront learning about what that risk is. For example, one risk that we're dealing with right now is the coronavirus. Our factories have been shut down, actually, literally until today. 5 minutes ago, the factory just opened back up. Let me see if I could zoom in there. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. But it's March 1st, guys, so the factories just opened back up. They've been quarantined because of the coronavirus, but let's call it how it is, guys. Everybody else that wasn't manufacturing in the United States and was manufacturing in China within my niche is dealing with the same exact thing, and if I had to bet, they all were too. But what did I have to do about that? I had to problem solve. So something that I'm working on doing is finding a new manufacturer in the United States. So I don't wanna use them initially because it is gonna cost more money, but in the future, I'll have an alternative if something like this does happen again. So there you guys have it. That's how I make over $15,000 a week on Amazon FBA in 2020. If you guys really want to learn more about this, I really suggest that you check out my playlist. I'm going to link out to it below. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions. Like I said, I'll give you all the information for my Jungle Scout so that you guys could do your own keyword research and find a niche, or maybe you already have an Amazon business. If so, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching.